Is that thing I'm picking up?
Just say, if you want to say, I'm not done.
Actually, I think I'm really waiting for it now to do Mountain Blade.
I'm done. What are you talking about?
Mountain Blade. You know Mountain Blade?
Oh, my mom keeps them last week and
Should I?
really likes
Yeah.
it. My mom gave me some really
Yeah,
nice
sick, dude.
like last night. I even watched the
What is
thing.
it? It's like a
She just said she
kind of like an RPG, but it's like it's like an open world like.
Con nói một chị cô ở ngoài này đây có
Ini kon.
Oh. Oh.
So you still living?
Not too thin.
Right?